My arm hurts. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just gonna be doing a look. I'm not sure what look. Hey, where'd you come in here? My dog is in here. Come here. Come here. Come here. So the main reason I wanted to film this video is because I got a new eyeshadow palette and it's by BH Cosmetics. And look how gorgeous this is. Look at that. I got this at TJ Maxx and I got it for $9. It is the prettiest palette I have ever seen in my life. And it's all mattes and I don't know how to open it. Oh, I opened it. Okay. This is what it looks like. So I'm just gonna do some look with this. I'm not sure yet, but it will come to me, and then you will know, because you will see it. Alright, so I'm just gonna start with eyebrows, because... oh my god. This is not going well. Honestly, I do my own eyebrows, but lately I've been really wanting to get them done. I used to get them threaded a lot, and then I used to get them waxed a lot. I'm not okay. But now I'm thinking I just want to go get them done. Just because. Oh, yeah. Alright. Oh, what are you doing? Yeah. Alright, let's try this side. That is a lot better than... whoa. Oh my god. Stop. Okay, I'm just gonna set these bad boys. They aren't cooperating. But that's okay, because it's fine. It's just fine. Get out of here. At least this one's working. That's all that matters. Alright, I'm just gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face. Hey, come here! Okay, I guess that's just how we're gonna be. That's fine. It's fine. So I'm just gonna use my beauty blender. I have a silicone blender that I used to use a lot. Looks like this. Really cheap. Got it for like $2 or $3. I don't know. I haven't been using it much lately because I just bought this and I'm really liking it. Because I haven't had a beauty blender before. I started out with the silicone and I'm liking this a little more. This is not this is not my color. Okay, I'm gonna go on with some foundation because this is not it. I can't tell you why this is happening. What is that? Oh my god, this is awful. Hopefully my eyebrows will look better. Oh, I am so sorry. This hurts, like physically hurts. I wasn't gonna put on foundation until, you know, I decided to look like this. Okay, so we're just gonna move on because it is what it is. We're gonna set this because put it in the past. Just gotta keep pushing on. Yeah. What's next? What am I doing next? I really don't know. Oh, let's get into eye makeup. Oh my god. Okay. Going in with the BH Cosmetics palette. I'm really excited. I haven't even like touched this. I haven't done swatches. I haven't done anything. Like, there's so much I could do. Look at all of these colors. Like, there's so many. I don't even... Oh! Oh! No! Oh my god. I just took a big chunk. I took a big chunk out of my... It's in my finger. This is not it. Oh my god, it's everywhere. I can't believe I just took a big chunk. I'm so sad. I'm gonna try and use the Echo Tools brushes. I got a bunch of them. They're so cute. Look at them. I'm gonna try and use these two smudge brushes and then blending brush. And I also got these smaller ones. I used these in my last video. It didn't work too well. Alright, let's get started. I guess I'm just gonna pack it all on with this brush. Actually, no. I'm gonna start with this brush. I know what I want to do. I don't know what I want to do. Okay, so I've made up my mind. Looking at this palette, I think I want to do like a strawberry lemonade look. Does that make sense? So like a pink and yellow, and you get the idea. Let's see how this goes. So I'm just going to take this light pink as the transition shade. Wow, okay. Look at this pigmentation. Holy moly. That's a light color. I honestly didn't expect it to show up like this on me. Ooh. I'm not too disappointed by the brush either. It's doing its job. I think I'm gonna just go in with this brush. I'm gonna just pack this pink color in all over my eyelid. So, just gonna pack it in on the crease. Oh my god. Oh, look at that. Holy crap. Okay, I didn't expect this at all, but I am digging it. Holy crap. Look at this. Wow. Honestly, I had no expectations. I'm gonna be honest. I was hoping it'd be great because I love BH Cosmetics, but I didn't expect it to be this good. Like, look at that pink. I have honestly never experimented with pinks before, but this is way better than what I expected. I'm just gonna go back in with the brush that I used for the transition shade to blend these together. Honestly, I'm really happy right now. Maybe like this success of this eyeshadow right now is making up for the mess that just happened all over my face. Maybe this is what this is. It's a gift from the makeup gods. That's what it is. Alright, so then I think I'm gonna try a cut crease. I don't have much eyelid space. I have hooded eyelids, but you know what? That doesn't mean I can't try. So, oh my god, get away! Are you kidding me? So I'm gonna go in with NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer, and it's in the shade Sand Beige. This is a shade I use in the winter time when I'm really pale, which is not right now. Does this look good? I think this is good for my first attempt at a cut crease. Could someone applaud, please? Yes. Thank you. Thank you. I dropped my brush. Alright, now that it's dry enough, I think I'm gonna go in with this color, this bright yellow, and see how it works. See how it does. At this point, like, I feel like I'm just sleep deprived, which I probably am. Who knows at this point. Alright, so I'm gonna pack this color on, see how it works. Look at, holy crap, look at this yellow. Wow. Okay. Didn't know I could achieve this much greatness. Alright, now I'm gonna pack some more pink in. I'm gonna blend these yellow. Okay, I'm gonna blend the yellow and pink together. Did you enjoy that close-up? Because I did not. Alright, that feels pretty good. While I have the pink in this brush, I'm gonna go ahead and do the pink on the under eye. Now I want to do some shimmer. Oh, that's not right. I'm gonna go in with the brush that used the yellow. Oh, I know you can't see that, but there's so much powder coming off this brush. Maybe I won't use that brush. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the NYX Away We Glow highlighter. I've used this before. It's my liquid highlighter. I really like it. It's the Crystal Glare, and I'm gonna just get some. Oh, did you guys see that? Okay, so I'm gonna take the brush and then I'm gonna get a little bit on there. I'm just gonna go a little bit right there on the inner corner. See that? Yeah. Alright, and then I'm just gonna blend this out. Now we're gonna go with them eyelashes. I think what I want to do is just curl them like so. Alright, they're curled. And I'm just going to stick with Beauty Moments. You know, if you're still watching from those videos, you already know. Ooh, that's goopy. Goopy? Who says that? Yay! Now for the thickening of the lashes. Okay, lashes are done. I'm done with the lashes. Okay. Next. Oh, yes, the best part, contouring. I'm gonna whip out my Profusion's contour palette. It's my favorite palette.
Alright, so I'm gonna highlight that. And I'll highlight right there. Yeah, highlight right there. Highlight a little bit up there. Highlight a little bit up there.
Yeah. I'm gonna do some bronzer. Oh, that was the wrong thing. I typically don't bronze my forehead, but I feel like this change in weather, my skin is changing, and it seems necessary. Alright, I'm gonna start with this side. So many brushes. Going in, blush neutrals. Same shade as always. Actually, you know what? Maybe I'll switch it up. Maybe. Yeah, I'll do the same. Oh, I think my battery's dying. Is my battery dying? Oh, hold up. Okay, so we're back. My camera died, but that's okay. Alright, so now I'm gonna go back in with contour palette, do my highlight. Also, if you guys cared, my dog has left the building. He couldn't stand me anymore. I was like, you know what? I'll let him out, because clearly he's not enjoying himself. So, you know, it's fine. It's fine. Now, what lip do I do? What lip should I do with this bomb AF strawberry lemonade eyeshadow look? I think I'm gonna do this lip. This is Revlon Metallic. It's the Ultra HD color. Ooh. Alright, so this is the look. And you know what? I'm digging it. I'm liking it. yeah, thank you guys for joining my crazy rocky ride of a video. This is this was a train wreck. Nothing went the way I was supposed to happen, but I think that's what made the video. So if you guys somehow enjoyed this makeup look thing that happened, just let me know. I hope you don't want to see more of this, but if you do, just let me know. If you didn't like this video, I'm sorry, but this is what you get.